Hey everybody, Ivan here. I'm so excited to share this with you today. Everybody knows curve combs. I've been talking them up and using them for a lot of years. But now I've made a good thing better. Check it out. Brand new, available for purchase online in the web store at ivanzoot.com. Handle curve combs, black and white and thinner. We've made a good thing better. Curve combs are super fun and they're super easy for helping you do better haircuts. They've got an inside curve and an outside curve. The inside curve is used for tapering. You're coming in on the inside of the comb that mimics that natural tapering motion. The outside of the curve is used for layering on the outside of the head. We've got a handle on them for convenience and control, and now we've gone one better. We've gone to black and white. Dark hair, light combs, light hair, dark combs. You can't cut what you can't see. The outside of the curve for beautiful layering, and the inside of the curve, switch my hand position, for that beautiful tapering motion, working off a weight line and tapering and blending. And now they're thinner. The carbon curve comb, that's about a 1.5 blade. And a lot of you have said, I want to get closer. These are the thickness of a 1, maybe a little less, a little between like an OA blade. So we've got a handle, we've got contrasting colors. They're thin and flexible. You can lever angle those against the head to customize the degree and the slope of your taper. They're available in the 2-pack, black and white, online at ivanzoot.com. Pick up a pair today and do better haircutting and have a whole lot of fun with handle curve combs, 2-pack in black and white. ivanzoot.com. There's a link in the description from the video.